What's up, HASfit Tribe? It's your personal trainer, Coach Kozak.
I'm Claudia, and this is a HIIT beginner workout at home.
Today's workout is great for fat loss and building strength.
There is no jumping or repeated movements in this standing-only workout.
You'll have the opportunity to use dumbbells, light weights, or no equipment at all.
Now let's get started.
Let's begin today's session with the warm-up, preparing our bodies for the work to come. Our first move is going to be a good morning plus T rotation. I'm going to start with my feet hip width apart, slight bend in my knees, hands are down, hinging at my waist, pushing my back side behind me. And when I get to about parallel to the floor, I'm going to rotate with my right arm, look up at that hand, close it, and then rotate to the left side, close it, hips forward, stand up. So that's one rep. Repeat. So down, feel that stretch in your backside, back stays straight. Rotate, rotate. This one's great for our whole posterior chain, warming up our hamstrings, glutes, upper and lower back, chest, shoulders. We like these efficient moves, hitting a lot of muscle groups with just one exercise. Last one here, and back up. Next up, we're going to address our shoulders and upper body with a shoulder box plus reach. My elbows are at my side, bent at a 90-degree angle, bringing my arms parallel to the floor, then pulling back on my hands, reaching as high as I can, finishing with my biceps by my ears, pulling those elbows back down, hands down, elbows into the side. Now we're going to repeat it. So it's 1, 2, hands back, 3, reach up, 4, elbows down, hands down to the side. That's 6. So again, just working your way through that. As you're bringing those hands back, make sure you're really pulling them back and getting that stretch. Taking your shoulders to that full range of motion. Oxygen's flowing here, no breath holding. Last one, and down. All right, our last warm-up move is going to be a squat plus a calf raise. Again, feet are going to be hip width apart. Every time we squat, we break at those hips first, then the knees. So break at those hips, hands are at our side. Full depth, back up, calf raise onto the balls of the feet. Repeat. I want you to make sure that you're driving through that midfoot so you're nice and balanced. You're not falling back onto your heels or forward onto your toes. Doing our best to get a full range of motion squat, whatever that looks like for you. Everybody's different. Last one here. Try to take it as deep as you can. Good, and up. All right, we're warmed up from head to toe. Ready to do this, Claudia?
I'm ready. I'm nice and warm.
All right, feeling good, feeling ready to attack this workout. So for our first one, we're gonna do a side raise plus a march in place. I'm gonna use 2 light dumbbells for this one.
And I'm just gonna use my body weight today.
You decide what's appropriate for you throughout today's routine, but just one set of this exercise. So I'm bringing my hands up to parallel to the floor, and at the same time, I'm alternating right and left knees marching in place. Doing it together, ready, and begin. Arms are controlled. Controlling the way back down.
And bringing the arms to parallel and then right back down. So not above parallel, we're not flying away.
That's right, just a parallel to the floor, in line with the floor. And if you are using light weights on this one, it doesn't take much. Even just your arms by themselves are gonna provide some resistance.
Yeah, for sure.
You decide how high you feel comfortable taking those knees on that march in place, depending on your balance.
And how high you want to bring that knee as well.
Oxygen's flowing here. Just a few more seconds.
Not much left. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break.
All right, next up, again, I'm gonna stick with some light dumbbells for this one.
Again, just sticking with my body weight.
And we're gonna do a sumo deadlift plus twist punch. So 2 in 1 here. Sumo deadlift, my feet are nice and wide, toes are pointed out. gonna sit back, weight in my hips. And as I stand up, I'm gonna twist to my left side, punch across my body, and then return. Alternating right and left sides. Ready, and begin. Sitting back every time.
So we're gonna inhale as we get down into that squat and exhale as we twist and punch.
So don't just twist with your arm across your body, right? But instead you're actually rotating at those hips.
That's right.
Making those abs work here. We're working our hamstrings, glutes, lower back, shoulders, abs, quadriceps.
Doing a good job. We got 10 more seconds here.
Oh, feeling it. Come on, let's go. Home
And
stretch.
3, 2, 1, and break.
All right, excellent. Okay, next up we're gonna work on our back with a dumbbell crusher row. I'm gonna get a little heavier weight for this one.
And notice I'm picking up dumbbells at this point, so some light weights here.
Where you're going to, and if you don't have access to weights, you can use water bottles, soup cans, whatever you have. Feet are shoulder width apart, bending our knees, backs at a 45-degree angle. I'm gonna actually push these hand weights together. Now, as I'm maintaining that pressure, I'm pulling back from my elbows. So I'm crushing them together and pulling back at the same time. Ready, and begin. So maintaining that constant tension where I'm actually pushing them together and pulling back. Squeeze that upper back on every repetition here.
So good for your chest also.
Feeling in that whole upper body.
Oh yeah.
Even gonna get some leg work just maintaining this position. A lot of efficient moves today.
So exhale as you bring those dumbbells up towards your chest. Inhale, exhale.
Letting those elbows lead the way, like we almost got a string attached to those elbows.
10 seconds left.
And we're pulling back from that string. Oh, here we go. Last few. Come on.
In 3, 2, 1, and break.
Excellent. All right, we're gonna get our heart rates up with the next one. I'm gonna use some dumbbells.
No dumbbells for me for my variation.
We're gonna do a high punch out plus run in place, starting with our hands at our chin. Go ahead and start punching right and left, alternating with a little light run in place at the same time. So we're punching up above our heads. Ready, and begin. That's the key here, returning those hands back to your chin and also punching over our head. Really puts the extra burn on those shoulders.
Oh yeah. Especially if you have some dumbbells that you're holding in your hand.
I mean,
but I'll tell you what, even this variation is, I'm feeling some burn here.
I was gonna say your arms, I mean, there's weight to your
That's
arms,
true.
right? So you don't even have to add the weight.
That's true, you're right.
Nice light ground touches with your feet. Oxygen's flowing here.
Oh yeah.
Getting
Come
as
on,
many
10
as
more
you
seconds.
can. How many can you get here? How many can you get in the last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? All right, let those shoulders take a quick rest. And we're gonna move to our lower bodies where I am gonna use one dumbbell.
And again, no dumbbell for me here.
We're gonna do a goblet squat. So our hands are at our chin, feet are hip width apart, breaking at those hips first, then the knees, back up, full range of motion squat. Here we go. Ready, and begin. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. And with the weight in the front, it puts a little extra emphasis on our quadriceps, those big thigh muscles in the front of your leg. You decide which depth is appropriate for you and what pace is appropriate for you.
Oh yeah.
So it's just this one set, 45 seconds, getting as many in as you can in this set. Inhale.
One right after the other.
Exhale. Come on, you got it. Every repetition is getting you just that much closer to your goal.
You got 8 seconds left.
What do you got right here? Come on. Finish strong. 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. No weights for this next one. We're going to do a push-up plus a mule kick. Now, this can be done from the floor if you're great at push-ups.
Or it can be done from the wall.
Or an incline like a bench, countertop, back of a couch. The further up you are, the easier. Further down you are, the harder. So getting into a push-up position, full range of motion push-up, and then right straight leg, kick up, squeeze my glute. Left straight leg, kick up, squeeze my glute. Alternating between the push-up and the mule kick. Ready, begin. Make sure to breathe in on the way down on that push-up. Exhale on the way up.
And notice for my wall variation, my hands are in line with my chest. So I don't have my hands by my head. We still want to make sure that when we go into the push-up position that we're at a 45-degree angle, elbow flare here.
Regardless of which variation you choose, make sure you're bending those elbows. Don't give me any little chicken head push-ups where you're reaching with your neck.
It's true.
But instead, you're actually bending those elbows and bringing your chest to the bench. You have the last 5 seconds here. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, those are tough. You can shake out your arms here. We're gonna move into an opposite knee to elbow. So no weights needed for either of us on this one.
Nope.
I'm gonna have my arms up to start. I'm gonna bring my right elbow to my left knee, cross body, back down. Left knee, right. Sorry. Left elbow, right knee. There we go. It's a little brain workout too.
You know what we mean here.
Yeah, you know what I meant. Come on, give me some slack.
Here.
We're going 45 seconds. Ready, begin.
Whew.
Get that oxygen flowing. And I want you to make sure you're contracting your abs on this one. So this is a great ab workout. Yes, it's working your legs and shoulders as well. If you're getting your heart rate up. Now, if you can't touch your elbow to your knee, that's all right. Do the best you can. Maybe you're down here. But just give me that contraction.
Give us the
every
best
time.
you can. That's right. Give us that nice squeeze here in the middle.
That's it. Come back, repeat this workout. Get a little better every time.
Come on, 15 seconds.
How many can you get right here, right now? Come on. Pushing yourself because nobody else can or will do it for you, folks.
That's it.
This is it. It's you versus you. Come on.
3, 2, 1, and break.
All right, we're both gonna grab some dumbbells for this next compound move. We're going to do a split knee drive plus a row. So it's a 2-for-1. I'm gonna start with a split stance. My right leg is back, both knees are bent. Now I'm gonna hinge forward on a 45-degree angle. You'll see most of my body weight's on this front leg. Now I'm gonna bring my right knee up to my chest, return it back down, pull back from my elbows, and return back down. So alternating between that knee drive and that row. Ready? And begin. Let's do it. Come on. Making sure to breathe. And we'll split half and half on each side here. Because you'll notice that lead leg starts to really, starts to feel it.
Starts to burn out real fast.
What do you say? Oh yeah, spicy. That's been
Spicy.
Claudia's favorite word lately.
Feeling
It gets a
super
little
spicy.
spicy.
It's okay. That's because we're going to switch in 3, 2, 1, switch sides.
Okay. That one was getting too spicy. Let's switch it up.
Come on, right into it.
I want you, as you're bringing that knee up, engage those abs as you drive that knee in. Pulling back from your elbows on that row. Not from your hands, but from your elbows.
Come on. Not much left here.
Finish
In
strong.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break.
Yes. Excellent work, Claudia.
Nice.
Excellent
Good
work
job
to you out there, HASfit Tribe. Now we're going to transition into our cool down. Recommend you don't pause or stop the video. See it through. We're going to do this to help alleviate some soreness over the next couple of days, and we'll get some added flexibility working because who doesn't need extra flexibility?
You need it. You really, really need it.
I can't get enough. We're going to start with wall angels. Work on our way back to the wall. Could use a door. If you had to, you could just do this in open space. But I've got my head and my back flat up against this wall. Bring my arms straight up overhead. Now I'm gonna try my best to keep my back flat on the wall when my hands and arms are flat. And I'm pulling down. And then I'm reaching up. Ooh-wee, our shoulders got some work today. We're gonna keep them up the whole time, Claudia.
Okay,
Don't bring them down in between, surprise. Sometimes we do it that way too. Nothing wrong with that.
It's so, you have to really think about keeping that lower back glued to the
I know.
the wall.
And
Because I feel like when my lower back gets nice and flush with the wall, my arms come up.
I know, it's like I'm always, one thing is giving way while I'm focusing on the other. but that's the whole point.
It's like my body doesn't want to work that way.
I know, it's almost like it's a good stretch.
You have to fight against it.
For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think I never look cuter on camera than when I'm doing those. Let me know in the comments what you think about the faces that I make.
Shrugs,
yeah. I get some of these.
Probably a good one.
We're going to move into a one leg hip hinge next. Put my right straight leg out onto my heel, hands are on my hips. That helps. Now I'm going to hinge at those hips, pushing my butt back to the wall behind me. Like I'm trying to touch it back there. And you feel that stretch in the back of the leg. Get that leg straight.
We're just going to hold here.
Just holding. If you'd like, you can also reach. You can reach your hands on the hips. But really focus on driving those hips back behind you. Nice big deep breaths for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Same move, opposite side now. Again, drive those hips back. That front leg is nice and straight.
Ooh, and the more you bring your toe towards you, flex it towards you, the more of that stretch you're really going to feel.
Yeah, you get some calf there too. Really stretching out that backside. Got a lot of good work in today. For 3, 2, 1. And we got to even things out. Got to stretch the front of our lower body. We're going to do that with a standing quad stretch. Now you can do, if you got good balance, you can do that on your own. If you want, you can mosey on over to a wall, door, chair for support. We're going to grab that back foot, ankle, and pull back. You could also use a towel or a band if that would help you get into this position. And if you just want to show off, you can do what Claudia's doing right now.
That's right.
That's right. That's right.
That's right. Don't need no wall.
No, she's been working on her balance, I think. Hopefully I don't mess her up by making her laugh,
I was
though.
going to say.
A blow over.
Don't make me laugh.
3, 2, 1. All right. Same move, opposite side now. Got to keep it even. Got to keep it even. That's it. Try to keep that knee in on this one. Don't bring it up here. You're not going to get much of a stretch.
You got it. Let's do it. Come on.
Also, not just stretching your quads, getting those hip flexors too.
Oh, yeah. I feel that.
Should we see how long she can hold it?
No.
Just keep this set going.
No.
For 3, 2, 1. Oh, she made it. And that's it, folks. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. One of the things that we have found to help you stay on track, stay motivated, help to hold you accountable in your fitness journey. I spit it out. Is to follow a complete fitness program. Where can they find those?
Those programs can be found on the HASfit app.
So regardless if your goal, trying to build lean muscle, lose fat, or just kick butt at life, we have those programs for you. Download it now and check them out.
Don't forget to like us on your favorite social media network.
Until next time, I'm Coach Kozak.
And I'm Claudia.
And we will see you at your next workout.